In this video, we are going to discuss how to reassign a work order to a facility manager for a work order that needs to be sent to a vendor. In the work order list, the engineer will access the work order. We're in the work order add edit page. This is the work order number. You've got the request button here. So in this scenario, the teller line AC not working. Let's say the engineer, Philip, goes out and tested equipment. He needs vendor support, and he contacts his facility manager, Barry, and says, hey, I need vendor support. This unit is completely dead. We need to replace it. Barry said, we were expecting that, no problem. I'll send it to a vendor. Okay. So what Philip would do at that point is he would need to add his time and any material to the work order that he spent on the work order. So we click charges, add labor, including his drive time to the location. We are recording hours, not dollars, for time. So under the labor record, under standard, the number of hours. So if he was there for 1 hour on site, it was a 30-minute drive to the location, he would put in 1.5 because that is 1/2 hour, and then save. If there's materials that he used on the job for this work order, he would click here and click add materials. If not, then he is going to go back to request, and he has his one charges. So the work order is assigned to him, and he wants to reassign it to the FM, so he is going to edit the request. Click edit request. Now, page down to assignment, select the facility manager, and in the request description, ME tested AC, vendor support needed, unit replacement required. We need a good note, something that describes what you did when you were there, the status upon you leaving, and anything else that needs done. Comments such as FM to send to vendor, vendor needed, completed, closed, FM to handle, sent to FM, those notes are not acceptable. We need a little more detail. You don't have to write a paragraph, but I need a simple note that explains what you did when you were there and the status. So now you have put in your note, reassigned it to the facility manager. We have a save button. You always want to save. The record does not automatically save, so you always want to click save. I'm going to click save. Now, if I scroll down, I'm on the request, the request tab. If I scroll down, now Barry has been assigned to the work order. If I go back to list, in the list, this top one, now Barry is assigned to the work order. This column on the end says accepted by. We do not accept work orders. We do not have to accept work orders. Work orders are assigned to us. The work order will either be assigned to the FM or the engineer.